Okay, good morning everyone. So this week, I will not have a Zoom because I'm in the workshop together with the other math teacher in Jogja. So from this video, I will share all the interaction for this week for grade 7, 8, and 9. So please see my video here. So first, we go to grade 7. So grade 7, we talk about the comparison, and grade 8 and grade 9 we will do the exercise about probability. Okay, so here I will explain first for grade 7. Grade 8 and grade 9, you may see also this explanation. Maybe this is something new for you as well, or maybe you will need it also when you are in grade 9, when you have USDA or ASDP. So pay attention to my video, it's like less than 20 minutes. So for grade 7, this one, the subtopic, we have identical comparison and reverse value comparison. It's from the previous topic. I just give you an example here. So this is the example. A car consumes 8 liters of gasoline to travel 56 kilometers. If the distance travel is 84 kilometers, so the gasoline needed is how to do that. Look at my solution here. So we will compare the gasoline with the distance. So if 8 kilometer equal with 56 kilometers, and then how many liter that equal to 84 kilometer? So that the situation we will compare. So how many liter here? I think it is more than 8 liter, right? So we will compare the distance with the distance. So this is the thing. You have to compare the same thing. You have to compare distance with the distance. And how to compare? We put it as a fraction or ratio here. And then how to compare? 84 per 66 or 66 per 84. It depends with the situation. If we need more than the recent situation, if we need more than 8, so it is the bigger number, we put the bigger number on top and smaller number on the bottom. So here 84 per 66 times 8 liter, so 12 liter, right? Okay, we move to reverse value comparison. If this one, when the other part is increased, so the other component is also increased, but that is different with reverse value comparison. When the other part is decreased, so the other one should be increased. Have a look. Usually reverse value comparison related to times, to days, to period. So here, look at the example. A job will be completed by 24 people in 20 days. If they want the work to be completed in 15 days, so how many more workers are needed? So the solution here, 24 people equal to 20 days. So how many people if we need to finish it in 15 days? So we need more people as well, right? So we have to compare days with days. So 20 per 15 because we need more people times 24. So it is equal to 32 people. So the people that we need more is from 32 minus 24, so 8 people. So this is the difference in identical and reverse value. But one thing that we have to know is if we want to compare the same thing. If we need more number, we put the bigger number on top. If we need smaller number, we put the smaller number on top. Hopefully you are clear with this. We'll move to next part, so ratio and scale. Both of them, it's also about comparison, only the other way to speak about comparison. Look at my example here. So weight ratio from A, B, C is 2, 3, and 5. And the difference between A and C is 24. So they're asking about the total body weight. If we talk A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. So total is 2 plus 3 and plus 5. Right? So from this part, the difference, so it means like A, C minus A, so from 2 to 5. So that is only 3 part then. 3 part is 24 kg. Total 10 part equal to how many kg? It is look like identical comparison. So I think it's more than 24. So we have to compare the ratio and the ratio. So 10 per 3 times 24, so 80 kg. It can go to anywhere. If they asking about P only, you can compare it like, so P is 3 parts, so 24 kg as well. We can go to A, that is 2. We can go to C as well, 5. So it can go to anywhere. About the scale, scale is usually related to map, floor plan, how to make a miniature of some building. So here the floor plan house is 1 per 250. One room of the house is rectangle with measurement 2 and 3. And then they're asking about the actual area from that space. I can write it here as a comparison like 1 equal to 250 in the real one. So how about if we have 2 centimeters? We need to compare it, right? 2 per 1 times 250 equal to 500 or 5 meter. Also, we can compare with 3. 3 and 1. So 3 per 1 times 250 equal to 750 centimeters or equal with 7.5 meters. How about the area? As we know, a rectangle is length times width. So 5 times 7.5, it is 37.5 meters square. Mas Jason, be careful with the unit as well. Pay attention. Hopefully you can do the link. You can see from the Google Classroom. Grade 7, you can start to do the link from the Google Classroom. But if you want to see the next explanation from me, that's okay. It is for grade 8 and grade 9. For grade 8, last week we have already meeting about probability. I share the handout, we do the quizzes, and most of you already done with the good results. Only some of you that still have to repair the work. Okay, next here I just want to give you the other information related to probability. So probability here, like we talked before, usually we use coin, dice, card, or maybe spinner, like on the roulette on the casino. Or maybe we can use also like color, or maybe days, or maybe later. But here I will explain you about dice. bridge and coin, bridge card and coin. So here, how if we throw two dice? So we can make a mapping here, we can make a diagram here, how the probability, how the possibility event from two dice. I write 1 to 6 on the left, 1 to 6 on the right. So this is represent for the first dice, this is for the second dice. We just need to match them and then just see for the equation what they need. If they need like give me the probability from both dice appear even number, so you can check like here and here, all 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 8 9 10, so 10 per 36, and then you need to simplify it. That's it. So the main point is find out the possibility first. Here if we have one coin and one dice, here is puts the one dice only. So I can write coin is number and picture, and here 1 to 6 because of dice. We can find, so all the possibility is 12. Next for bridge card, kartu remi, it's also for media. So bridge card, it consists of number from 2 until 10, and then they have also jack, queen, king, and ace. So total is 4 series, 4 picture, right? So we do not need to use the joker one. Maybe not all of you know about bridge card, so that's why I have to explain here. So hopefully this can help you. Next, this is how if we use 3 coin. How if we throw 3 coin together? How about the possibility? I can write it here. If we use 1 coin, so the possibility is only 2. Number or a picture. How if we throw 2 coins, so we just need to make another possibility from each part. So picture and number, picture and number. So if we have to throw 2 coins, so we have 4 possibility. How about if 3 coin, we just need to add one more here. GA, 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 GA. If you need 4 coins, so just need one to make one more again, and so on. Or I can write it as 2 to power of n, or how many coin that we need. So here, if you have question in the experiment of throwing 3 coins together, the probability of appearing to number and one picture is, I already marked here from the part. So you can see the probability to appear to number and one picture. Here, this is not, this is yes. So number, picture, number, no, here, this is not, this is not, and here. So we have 3 event from total 8 possibility. So this is the probability, or we can write it as decimal here. We just need to convert it into 0.375, or maybe you can convert it into percent, like 37.5%. The other thing is the frequency. If they're asking about the hope, the expected frequency, peluang frekuensi harapan, it means we need to multiply the probability with how many times it's happened. So if they have 80 times, so the expected frequency is 3 per 8 times 80 equal to 30 times. So I think that's all from me for instruction for grade 7, 8, and 9. So grade 7, please do the exercise that you form when from the Google Classroom. Grade 8, do strengthen and unit test probability from the person book. grade 9 to the GFORM link also. You can see all of this instruction on the Google Classroom together with the invitation. I need you to do it on the math hour. So submit it today. For the GFORM, you just need to write the final answer only. No need to write the process. But then, if your result is under the expectation, I need you to redo it again with the process. Okay? So I think that's all from me. Any question, just contact me on my WA. My WA is always standby. Even though because this is one is exercise, you can ask me if you don't know how to do this. It's better than you just stay quiet. You can do it together, you can do it individually, it's up to you. Hopefully you understand with all the topic, all the instruction here. At last, hopefully this is all of this is useful for you, useful for everyone, and still stay at home, stay happy, and stay healthy. See you all, guys. Bye. See you next week.